GET versus POST explained. Beginner level. Introduction. When applications communicate with servers using HTTP, they send requests using different HTTP methods. Two of the most common HTTP methods are GET, POST. These methods are widely used in web applications, APIs, mobile apps, backend services. Understanding the difference between GET and POST is essential for learning web development and APIs. What are HTTP methods? HTTP methods define what action the client wants the server to perform. Common HTTP methods include method purpose, get retrieve data, post send new data, put update existing data, delete remove data. In this lesson, we focus on GET and POST, the two most frequently used methods. What is a GET request? A GET request is used to retrieve data from a server. It does not modify any data on the server. Example: GET users. This request asks the server to return a list of users. Example: GET request. Example: API request. GET weather? City equals Toronto. Example: response. Opening curly bracket. City, Toronto. Temperature, 5 degrees Celsius. Closing curly bracket. Explanation. The client asks for weather information, and the server sends the data back. Characteristics of GET. Check mark used to retrieve data. Check mark parameters are sent in the URL. Check mark can be cached by browsers. Check mark safe and idempotent. Does not change server data. Example: URL with parameters. HTTPS. Example.com/search. Q equals programming. Here, the search query is included in the URL. What is a POST request? A POST request is used to send data to the server. This data is usually used to create a new resource. Example: POST users. This request may create a new user in the system. Example: POST request. Example: request body. Opening curly bracket. Name: Alice. Email: alice@example.com. Closing curly bracket. The server may respond with opening curly bracket. Message: user created successfully. Closing curly bracket. Explanation: the client sends new data, and the server processes it. Characteristics of POST. Check mark used to send data to the server. Check mark data is sent in the request body. Check mark usually creates new resources. Check mark not cached by browsers. Check mark not visible in the URL. This makes POST more suitable for sensitive data submission. Key differences between GET and POST. Feature: GET POST. Purpose: retrieve data, send data. Data location: URL parameters, request body. Visibility: visible in URL, hidden in body. Caching: cached by browsers, not cached. Server changes: no changes often modifies server data. Bookmarking: possible, not possible. Example in a web application. GET example. User opens a web page. GET products. The server returns a list of products. POST example. User submits a sign-up form. POST users. The server creates a new user account. Example using Python. Example: GET request. Import requests. Response equals requests.get. HTTPS. api.example.com/users. Print. Response. JSON. Example: POST request. Import requests. Data equals name: Alice. Email: alice@example.com. Closing curly bracket. Response equals requests. POST. HTTPS. api.example.com/users. JSON equals data. Print. Response. JSON. Explanation. GET retrieves information. POST sends new data to the server. Real-life analogy. Think about a library. GET. You ask the librarian, show me all books about programming. The librarian gives you the list. This is like get retrieving data. Post. You submit a new book request form. The library adds the new book request to the system. This is like post sending new data. Advantages of get. Checkmark fast and simple. Checkmark easy to cache. Checkmark good for retrieving information. Advantages of post. Checkmark can send large amounts of data. Checkmark data is not exposed in the URL. Checkmark used for creating new resources. When to use get versus post. Use get when retrieving data, fetching information, requesting resources. Use post when sending form data, creating new resources, uploading files, sending sensitive data. Where get and post are used. These methods are used in almost all web applications. Web APIs, mobile apps, login systems, search systems, payment processing. Examples: fetching product lists, get, submitting login forms, post, creating accounts, post. Simple definition: get, an HTTP method used to retrieve data from a server. Post, an HTTP method used to send data to the server, usually to create or update resources. Final summary: get and post are two of the most commonly used HTTP methods. They allow applications to retrieve data and send information to servers. Checkmark get retrieves data. Checkmark post sends data. Understanding the difference between them is essential for web development, API development, backend programming.